What's up guys, Austin here with Bonehead Boys. Today we are crabbing again at Lawson's Landing.
We're the Bonehead Boys, we're on the run. Dad forgot the map, now the trip's more fun. Mom's just laughing, what else can she do? Dad's using duct tape to hold up the canoe. We're the Bonehead Crew.
Welcome back, guys. This week, the Bonehead Crew got a little bigger. We brought out the whole squad. The entire Paisar family flew in from Wisconsin and Minnesota to soak up some California winter vibes and try their hand at Dungeness crab snaring from the beaches of Tamales Bay. Now, Tamales Bay is a scenic coastal inlet about an hour north of San Francisco, known for the calm waters, rich marine life, and world-class oysters. It's perfect for crab snaring, so this is because of the rocky shoreline, easy access, and abundance of Dungeness and rock crabs. And the tides and underwater structure make prime crab territory. No boats needed. So you know you hit Tamales Bay's entry point when you hit Dillon Beach. It's a super cool little area, very low-key with a ton of these coastal cottages. And you drive through a little village, and that's when you hit the actual beach part of Dillon Beach. You drive right past it, and then you'll hit Lawson's Landing gate entry. Now, Lawson's Landing is a family-owned campground and resort at Tamales Bay's mouth. And it offers fishing, boating, and camping for day passes to go crabbing or oyster digging. Costs $10 to get in per vehicle. If you can afford it, it's totally worth it. However, there are some free alternative inlets for easy access. All right, we made it to Lawson's Landing. Let's get our pool set up. Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm setting up my left-handed pole here to catch a fish. Or no, a crab. We're crabbing.
Today we are crabbing again at Lawson's Landing. First things first, you want to get a PVC pipe or some sort of pole stand. Dig that in there like so. And then we are going to set up our pool. What we're using first here is we're going to use some anchovies, some frozen anchovies.
First cast of the new year.
It's almost, well, it's the latest part of the year possible. Whoa! Oh, red crab.
Nice job, Addie girl. Red rock crab. Woo-hoo.
All right. Who's having fun? Thumbs up if you're having fun. Woo woo! Woo woo! What are we doing? We're crabbing! Take 3, here we go. Take 4 actually. 1, 2. Oof. 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 No. No luck. No luck. No cigar. You know, I think I gotta change bait. It appears that they ate my bait. I was like, son of a gun, did they actually get it?
Oh my God, Cameron.
All right, go. I see him, I see him, I see him. Cameron! He was kind of trying to let us know he was over there. Did he just say yay, YouTube? Well, folks, we just had our first Cameron scare of the day. We get a couple of those. All right, so we are switching bait. It's been about 20 minutes with this bait. It's recommended you switch bait quite a bit due to the crabs start to kind of pick apart your anchovies and your squid.
So you're letting it sit a little too long.
Oh, that's a little high, but that'll work.
If you're eating your bait, that means they're
I don't know where you're supposed to hold them. What? You got one.
Is that mine?
You hold on to them here or what? Where's your dad holding them?
That's a keeper.
You can touch it after I take it.
We got a keeper. Not a jumbo, but it's a keeper. I'll go get the cooler. Like this.
That's how he got me yesterday.
Yeah, you just gotta be.
Good job. Look at Cameron. Cameron's just going to town. Woo! We got a big one on
Whoa,
there,
big crab! Keep going!
Big crab, big crab, big
Keep
crab.
going! Keep going!
Keep going. Look at that. You
Keep
are
going, don't
a
stop.
crabber.
Dungy. Keep. No. Maybe. Maybe a keeper, I don't know.
Doing now? What is that?
Well, we're doing some crab catching. We've got a crab cage, and hopefully throw this out here in about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. We'll reel her back in and have about 5 dungy on here. Ready to go.
Oh, sounds like a plan.
But how come you're only saying 5? I'd say 10.
What are you doing? What do you got?
I'm untangling a cluster.
Oh my. Oh, okay.
Clark,
Well,
unravel this knot here, Clark.
well. All right. We'll tune back in when you throw it out, because we got to see this.
One?
So,
Not a big one.
big.
You got one.
You can walk out further than that. Try. I don't know if they're actually like that. Come on, get out there. What's that fin that's by you? Oh, that went 5 feet. No, not even that far.
What we got?
Them are rock crabs, right?
Hell of a cast. That'll work. No.
They're under pressure.
Are you swinging? Are you swinging? We're checking in with our crab correspondent.
I gotta redo my one grab. It's frozen now.
Hold up. What do you think? What are you eating? Oh, you're eating craisins? Mmm. Oh, he got you so good. Give me knuckles for punking out mommy. That's a bonehead bonus.
I have to say, my favorite part about crabbing is the men can do men stuff like fish hard all day, and the kids and moms can just chill on the beach, play, run around. Makes for a fun day for everyone involved.
1, 2, 3. Oh, fall down. No, I don't think there's anything.
Oh, keep going. Keep going.
I didn't even see.
Ah, cool. Nice, Cody. That's a spider crab, also known as a sheep crab. Extremely rare. I've actually never even caught one or seen one in the wild. So, nice job, Cody.
Come on. Come on. Doing the crab dance. Anything.
Come on, Taylor.
Cody's not doing it, I'm not doing it.
Come on, Aaron. You want Betty's boots or Henry?
No, let's go a little further. Let me Benny, throw it here. Super speed! Whoa!
Pretty soon. Yep, they were feeding it.
Dad, there was some eating it.
You can tell because the chicken's like halfway out.
Ooh, we might have one.
Building. You're building a tunnel? Are you digging a hole to China?
Yeah, we already dug this hole and it's a tunnel under here.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Careful, Cam. No, you're good, Isaiah. There you go. Remember that? Oh, we got a snag. Little Dungy. I don't think that's a keeper.
To cry.
Oh no, it's empty. You hate to see it.
Wait, I'm done.
Feed. Hey, look at this. Austin. Look at this. I'm letting your shoes down. Look at that. Holy moly. Okay. Okay, here they go. Rock on and oysters.
I thought I was gonna
Advance on the plate tomorrow.
You had them before.
1, 2,
Come on,
and
go. Wait,
3.
cheers, Cody. Come on.
Cheers.
Okay, that's what. Aaron, come on. Hold it up for butter. Ah!
That did not help.
Slide off.
Alright.
Alright, here we go. See if there's like a hot sauce that you like. Check up there above the cabinet.
Swallow it. Swallow.
Austin, is there hot? Oh, no, only there. See if there's any hot sauce. Maybe like hot.
You do it?
She still got it in her mouth.
Just chew it.
Yeah, just chew it. Just chew it if you need to chew it.
I would not have chewed it.
Austin, oh wait. No, wait, sorry.
Lovely.
Do not projectile.
Well, that's a wrap on crabbing. We ended up finishing the trip with a little stroll to Armstrong National Redwood Forest, which I highly recommend going over John Muir, just because it's not as busy and it's home to the Parson Jones tree, which stands over 310 feet tall, longer than any football field. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks, guys.
We're the Bonehead Crew.